Hello guys, today we present our advanced SPM machine with a complete server integrated traceability. This system is equipped with all industry standard Hokayo mechanism to prevent errors and ensure consistent quality. For enhanced safety and efficiency, we have integrated an automated door with an inline laser marking function. The laser marking system is specially designed to assign unique, non-repeatable part numbers to every component, eliminating duplication issues and ensuring 100% traceability from production to dispatch. Engineered for accuracy, safety, and reliability, this is the future of smart manufacturing process.